is my 6.5 horsepower horizontal shaft engine. Here's the octane boost I'm going to be using. 6 full points. Chain's all lubed up for tomorrow. Tachometer. Piece hooks up to the spark plug. Although I'm not sure what this piece goes to. Tells me my speed, how high I'm revving at, my horsepower. Also got a light, so if I want to ride at night and see how fast I'm going. My kill switch. Getting it ready for welding tomorrow. Here's my cullet. Seen the other videos. Here's a 12-tooth clutch. I'm going to be removing the governor soon, and I'll do a video on that. But I am going to be keeping this lever. Just taking the gear out. Putting a racing rod in it. Here's my 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. Beat blasted it and cleaned it all up. Customized the carburetor. If anyone wants to buy this, please message me, and I'll try working something out. Also painted the bottom. Brand new electronic coil. Brand new. Got it like 5 months ago. It's only been ran like 3 or 4 times. Brand new spark plug. Here's the paint I used. Used 2 layers of it, I guess it said. Took about a week. Got it all ready. There's the exhaust. I should have a video of this running tomorrow. Gonna be racing 850 turbo Volvo again, except we're gonna have the same engine and the same gear ratio. Gonna be his Rupp mini bike against my Rupp go-kart. So I'll message you. So just message me when whoever wants to buy that engine. Runs great. Just cleaning out the gas tank right now. Just put some oil inside. Now I'm gonna drain it out and clean it with gasoline. Then it should be ready. Guess the guy at the go-kart shop told me it'll keep it from rusting. So I'll just message you guys when I get this up. Here's my redneck repair. I bent the tie rods because I'm cheap, and they're about like $20–$30. You know, if you like spending that. Just got a piece of metal wire and bent it around and got it on there so it's not moving. The gas throttle. Went from this piece of crap to this. Had it all redone for $300. Piece of crap. So bent up and screwed up. I don't know how it got this straight, but it's supposed to be curved like that. And I just need to get matching tires for the front end that are an inch smaller. Buddy, shut up. Alright,